Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another super cool bag to show you today. So this is a Gucci Horsebit Hasler East-West, and it's in this super cool Gucci monogram embossed leather, and then we've got this great horsebit feature on the front as well. Along the base we have got 5 base studs, and then we've got double top handles, press stud opening. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've just got one zipped pocket there. So I'll just show you. That zip is a little bit stiff, but it still works. And then we've got that Gucci tag with the serial code. Get that along the back there as well. The condition of this bag we have called fair all around. It's in kind of a beautifully battered condition. You can see it's got some creasing maybe from storage, and it's just kind of got a few marks here and there. You can see the corners have got some wear to them. Each of those corners have got signs of wear. You can tell that it has been definitely loved. You can see inside again that leather tag has got some, it has definitely got some wear to it. It's a similar situation on the straps on the handles. Ooh, you can see that that leather is starting to show wear along there, and again the hardware, you can see that gold tone is just starting to discolour in some places, but the gold tone on this horsebit feature still all is really nice actually. You can see it's just starting to show some wear there, but this bit is beautiful. So that's why we've called it fair condition, but it's in lovely, usable and pre-loved condition. So while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. So if you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you directly to our website, to this bag on www.armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is you can get on our request list. Just let us know that you love this bag, or it can apply to anything that you have in mind as well, whether it's Gucci, Mulberry, Saint Laurent, wherever it is, let us know. We'll get you on our request list, and as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you on me for reference. So if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". I'll just pop it on my shoulder like that, and I love a bag that kind of sits like snugly underneath my shoulder, especially like in the east-west style, so it's quite long and it has that kind of baguette shape to it. It's very naughty vibes, which I'm all for, so yeah, it is very cool. I love it, and this brown colour is gorgeous as well. So that is what it looks like on me. Again, I'm size 10, UK size 10 and 5'4", if that's any help. If you wanted more details on the bag, again, you can go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. Also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page, so if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, all the details you need to know on that page, so have a look on there, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.